remembering Krishna at the time of death will naturally need a lot of practice, right? For example, can you determine what you're going to dream at night? Can you say that tonight I'm going to dream this or that? Tonight I'm going to dream of Krishna. Can you determine that? No. That will happen only when we develop our love for Krishna so much that at the time of death, which is going to be something like falling asleep, we'll be able to remember Krishna. Therefore, when we are alive, we have to practice to develop our love for Krishna. So much so that at the time of death, we'll simply remember Krishna. Because at the time of death, the last thought is going to be where our deepest attachment is. So that's why you see we are practicing this process of devotional service when we are alive, so that at the time of death we can remember Krishna. And also it is important that we have the good fortune of leaving our body being surrounded by devotees. Because we may forget, but the devotees will remind us at the time of death about Krishna.